Hey guys, welcome back to G-Force Performance. Today I'm introducing our portable tire inflator. This is the latest addition to our Garage Essentials lineup. What's nice about this is it's battery powered, it's compact, and it's great for emergency situations or times that you don't have an electrical hookup or an air compressor. So this kit comes complete with a 20-volt battery, so you can plug it in when you're on the go, turn it on, and put a set point in on your inflator, and it'll fill up your tire. Now, if the battery's dead or if you forgot the battery at home, it also comes with an adapter. So this adapter plugs into the tire inflator and then plugs right into your 12-volt outlet in your car. So it comes with a charger for the battery and then comes complete in a holding case so that you can store it in your car for emergencies. So if you want to find out more about our portable tire inflator, check us out at crossmembers.com. Thanks for watching.